Hey friends! I know that when it comes to smaller size brush pens, there are a lot of different options, so I wanted to show you a few different ones using these 1000 words worksheets for small brush pens. So here you are going to find a few examples of some of the popular brush pens that I have. So I will leave a link in the description box below if you are curious about which pens these are, and I will also leave a link in the description box for the 1000 words worksheets. So I just wanted to make this quick video as an example for you if you wanted to see how these worked with certain pens. If there is a pen that I did not try, make sure to leave it in the comments box below. But I did want to let you know too that I have a sample of these worksheets on my website. So if you go to howtohandletter.com/sample, you can print out a sample page and test it with a pen that I may have not tested in this video. So I hope that is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.